Are you tired of your cookware losing its non-stick properties after a few washes? Well, 2026 brings a breakthrough in dishwasher-safe cookware. Today, we'll explore the top contenders, the Ninja Foodi NeverStick Premium and the Cuisinart MultiClad Pro. First, let's highlight the problem. Traditional non-stick pans wear out, especially after extensive dishwasher cycles. Our research shows many coatings lose effectiveness, leading to food sticking. So, we sought solutions that would stand the test of time. Enter the Ninja Foodi NeverStick Premium. This cookware uses a plasma-fired surface technology, maintaining a near factory release coefficient even after multiple washes. In tests, it performed 4 times better than standard hard anodized cookware. That's impressive durability. Now, for those who prefer stainless steel, the Cuisinart MultiClad Pro offers an innovative sealed rim design. This feature prevents the common electrochemical erosion problems seen in typical clad cookware. This design keeps your pots and pans working well for longer. Both cookware sets leverage advanced engineering. The Ninja's surface is created by firing non-stick particles at extreme temperatures, delivering a scratch-resistant finish. It's proven that it won't chip or flake, even in high alkaline washing conditions. On the other hand, Cuisinart's sealed rim protects the aluminum core from harmful detergents. During testing, the Cuisinart showed no pitting at the rim interface, while competitors faced erosion. Let's talk about heat distribution. Our tests indicate both brands maintain uniform temperatures without warping, even after 500 high heat dishwasher cycles. This ensures even cooking and reliable performance. What about usability? Both sets come with dual riveted stainless steel handles that remain secure over time. They stay cool to the touch during cooking, thanks to their smart thermal break design. To summarize, for non-stick enthusiasts, the Ninja Foodi NeverStick Premium is a solid choice. For those favoring stainless steel, the Cuisinart MultiClad Pro excels in durability. Both options offer the innovation you need to simplify your cooking experience. So, what's your preference? Are you excited to elevate your cooking with high-performance cookware? Explore links to view the products and find the best prices. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.